Okay, so I am Danish. I will be presenting the introduction because Amar's laptop has foreseen unfortunate events. This is our team: Shreethar, me, Danish, Aevan, and Amar. The specifications or the configurations, we use a virtual box, Oracle VM virtual box, to run this server and client. So for the server, we use the Debian 11 ISO, same with the client. We use 2 gigs of RAM and 1 CPU, which is fine. 20 gigs of memory. And this is the specification for both, for the server, and here's the client. They both should be the same relatively. That is all for the introduction, and now straight to the DHCP.
Good evening, Dr. Wahida. I'm Aevan Cheong. So now I will do the demonstration for the DHCP part. So now I will show the network setting for the Debian server and the Debian client. For the Debian server, the network adapter is connected to NAT and also the internal network. For the Debian client, the network adapter is only connected to the internal network. So next, alright, for the left side is the Debian for the server. For right side is the Debian client. So now I'll open the terminal first. Alright, so now I will check the DHCP configuration. And I enter my password. Alright, so here show that the DHCP range is 192.168.1.5 until 192.168.1.10. So now I check the IP address for the client. So it shows that the client IP address is 192.168.1.5, so it is within the range. Okay. So now I check the interface setting. Alright, so in here shows that for the server IP address, right, it is 192.168.1.254. So now I try to ping client from the server. With 5 times. So now I'm able to ping from server to client. Alright, so now I will try to ping server from the client. And 5 times as well. Alright, so I get the response from the server to the client as well. And now I try to ping from the server part to the Google. With 5 times as well. Alright, so it shows that from the server, it's able to ping Google server. So now I'll try to ping to Google server from the client part. Alright, so it shows that it's unable to ping because for the client part, right, we didn't give the access to the internet. Alright, so why we use ping to test is because we can check the connectivity. And also we can see the latency. And let's say for this one, right, this is the time, this is the latency. And then we get to see is there any package loss. Yeah. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shreethar, and now I would like to show the SFTP setup of server and client on OS project. So as you can see here, this is the Debian server, and this is the Debian client. Alright, so now we have a file named server.txt. Inside this server.txt, it has a text message that this is the text file from Debian server, and now we want to upload this server.txt to SFTP, and then we can connect Debian client, and then connect it to SFTP and download the server.txt. The same way we have client.txt, and we want to upload this to SFTP and download it from server. So what we are gonna do here, as you can see, client.txt, you can differentiate it by looking at the last message. It's a text file from Debian client, and this is from server. So now we are going to get the IP, which is 192.168.1.254. We have to connect the SFTP, just like how we use SSH. SFTP host is the username I created during the setup, and we can enter the IP address, and it will ask for a password, and you can enter the password that you created earlier. See, once you are connected, it will show SFTP. If it shows SFTP and a blanking cursor message, then it means you have successfully connected. So as you can see here, there's nothing in the SFTP server. We have to upload our server.txt to the SFTP. So for that, we can use help. If you want more message, you can use help or question mark, and it will show you the manual. So now we want to upload a file. The command is put. So put server.txt. As you can see here, it shows us uploading server.txt, and it show you the speed as well. Now our server.txt is in the SFTP. We can connect our Debian client to the SFTP and download the server.txt as well. We have to the method is same: SFTP, username, and then the IP address. Once you're connected, it will show SFTP. As you can see here, earlier when we created ls, it was empty, so nothing showed up. And then we uploaded the server.txt, and then when we press ls, when we enter ls, it lists all the files in the server. We can download this file by using the command get. As you can see here, get is used to download a file. Get server.txt. Now it will download the server.txt to our local home directory. We can check it and there's the server.txt. We can look at read the server.txt, and it shows this is a text file from Debian server. So the server, this concludes that the server computer uploaded it to SFTP, and then the client downloaded the server.txt from the SFTP. Vice versa. Now we are going to upload this client.txt to SFTP. We are going to connect the SFTP, and then use the put command to upload it to the SFTP. As you can see, it has successfully uploaded, and then as you can see here, the client.txt has been uploaded. It wasn't here before. Before it was only server.txt, and now it's client.txt. Now we can download the client.txt by using the command get client. As you can see here, it shows fetching upload client to client.txt, which means it's downloading the client.txt. We can check we can list the files in our home directory by using LLS. As you can see here, if we use LLS, it will display the local directory listing. So this is our home folder for the user server admin, and as you can see here, there's a client.txt. So this means that this concludes that this message is from client. Client uploaded it to the SFTP, and then the server downloaded it from SFTP. All right, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so for the web server, we are going to open the index HTML file in the server side first. This is the location. OS project. And now we are going to open the index HTML file. And as you can see, the contents are the same as the web server open on the client as well as the server. Now we're going to check the IP address, and this is the IP address for the server. And it's over here as well. Now we are going to add a little test to show that it works. This will show that it can change without having to restart the service. And now we will refresh this page, and yeah, you can see the change is here. We don't even need to restart. For the client, first we will show that the IP address is completely different here, but we can still open it if the IP address is the same as the server, which is this 254. And here is 254. Let's refresh, and there is. That's all for the web server. Thank you.